Hi, this is a short video to show you how to download the Speedy English app. Now the Speedy English app is the one up here on the right hand side. Okay, so if you go to your Google Play Store, yeah, or to your iStore, and you want to look for this symbol here, Speedy English, write it in, Speedy English, and then download it. Once you've downloaded it, it should be appearing on your screen. I'm going to open it now, and it will go into landscape on the video. Right, now this is your home page. I want you to, when you get this page, I want you to go to Study. Open Study. Now, oh, didn't mean to do that. Now, the first, number one up here, you see you've got numbers running down the left-hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want you to push number 1, how are you, the present simple. And I want, you've got, how many exercises? 6 exercises to do here. So I want you to click the first one, I am okay. And here we are, it's opening now. Now this is an example, so you click on I, and then you have to find I am. There we are. And the second one, so we've got is bored in the middle. You can see is bored. So we need to look for she is bored, and you notice at the top you get some arrows if you get it right. Now we've got we is, we are, or we are. Yes, here we are. Okay. Let's see what happens if I get something wrong. Now, is a manager. If I say you, and see how at the top it says that's wrong. I get a cross, yeah. And so I put she is a manager, correct. Okay. Now, if you look at the top, you've got a little green line that's going down, yes. So you can change how long you have to answer it. Can you see it's going down, 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 down? Now you can. What happens when you get to the bottom? Right, it gives you again. It starts again. Gives you more time to think about it. Okay. She is shopping. He is shopping. I am shopping. Here we are. Okay. Right, I'm just going to pause this now. 1 second. So if I go back, exit. Right. So we go back to our main screen in a second. Okay. I don't want you to pause it. I want you to do all the activities. Yeah. Let's see if now you can see here. Hang on. Now you can see you've got the stars here. If you get everything right, you get 3 stars. If you look at number 5, however, you can see I've only got 2 stars. That means I got about 65%. No. And if you look at number 4, I've got 2.5 stars. So that tells me that I got about 80%. Yeah. Now, if you get anything less than 2 stars, if you get 2 stars, it means I want you to do it again. So I want you to get 2.5 stars or 3 stars. Okay. All right. Now, let's go back. Let's go back to here a second. If you want to change the time, here we are. Look. If you want more time to think, you push this down to slow. And if you want less time to think, you push it up to fast, and it will give you even less time. But maybe you can change this the second time or the third time you do it, when you're much more sure of the correct answers. Then, so maybe the first time you do it, start down here at slow, yeah. And if you find that's too much time for you, then maybe adjust it, make it a bit quicker. And then maybe after you've done the whole thing one time and you've got 3 stars, so you want to do it again, but quicker, you can put it up to faster. So you have to think much more quickly. Okay? Now, the other feature this thing has is if you look at the middle in the book, it's got a grammar feature. I click in the middle. Now, I go back a second. Hang on. Here. So, these are your grammar features. So if you look number 1, the present simple tense to be, of to be. If I click on that, now, you see it gives me the present simple of the tense to be. I am, you are, he is, Bob is, etc., etc. If I click the arrow, the brown arrow, Now this is the contraction, so the short forms. So you can see I'm, you are, he's, Bob's, she's, it's. Okay. If I click again, it will go to negatives. So you've got the negative forms. I'm not, you are not, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, etc. Okay. And then if I click again, it will go to question forms. So you've got am I becomes am I? Yes, you are. Are you? Yes, I am, etc., etc. Is he? Is she? Is it? Okay. Now, so you've got all those grammar things there. If I go back now, okay, back to the home page. Now, I go back to study, yeah. Go back to the first one, number 1. Say I'm doing the second one here, okay. So I'm starting an activity here. So she, and I'm not sure, and I can see that it's going down, 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 you see, like that. What I can do, I can push this green button over here, and it will take me to the correct grammar page. So I can look at the grammar page that I'm supposed to be doing. This is contractions, you see. So I can look at those and think, okay, right, and then go back, push the green button again, and then I can say, okay, she's at the dentist, yeah? So, yeah, and again, if I think they, and I think, ooh, I'm not so sure, I can go back and I can look at that, the relevant, the correct grammar page. I can check my grammar, and then I can go back and think, okay, they are engineers. Okay, now, I would not recommend you using the green button too much. If you have to keep on looking at it, it probably means that you need to stop, yeah, and go back to your home page. Okay, and it means you probably need to just study the grammar page for a few minutes, I'd think. Okay. So what I'd like you to do, okay, if you go into this activity, I'd like you to do that one, and I'd like you to try 2, 3, 4, and 5. See if you can get those done for in the class today and for homework. Okay, I'm going to stop talking now. If I can switch this video off. Is it still videoing? Yes, it is, isn't it? Yes. Hang on a second. I'm going to exit. Hopefully, I can stop talking. Here we are. Stop video.